Hello students. In this session we will discuss about the electrophilic substitution reaction in amines, in which we will discuss electrophilic substitution reaction. As we know, the amines or aniline is the OP directing group because it gives the plus R or plus M effect. So those spaces which have plus R plus M effect is by nature OP directing group. OP directing means ortho-para directing group. Whenever electrophile comes to attached with this ring, this group decide whether the electrophile will be substituted. So as this group is by nature is plus R and plus M nature, so electrophile must be attached at the ortho or para position. Means this group we can say that activating group. This type of group which are plus R plus M effect are called the activating group because it increases the electron density on the ring. So in that condition, whenever electrophile comes, so it will attach at ortho or para position. So let me see the different electrophilic substitution reaction in aniline or aromatic amine. At first we will discuss about the bromination in alanine. So let's we see. Bromination. When aniline treated with bromine water, here the electrophile is bromine, this is the electrophile. So when the bromination takes place in aniline, so we will get 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. 2,4,6 tribromoaniline, and this tribromoaniline is white precipitate form. So it is an important practical point of practical nature of the aniline. Whenever aniline treated with bromine water, it gives white precipitate which is tribromoaniline. Why? Because due to high reactivity of NH2 group. This NH2 group, which has lone pair electron present on them, it increases the electron density on the ring so much, that's why all the position in which bromine electrophile bromine get attached. So if we want to prepare mono substituted bromoaniline, then we should decrease the reactivity of this group present on the ring, or in fact we can say that we can busy in another group this lone pair of electron, so that this lone pair electron density decreases and it does not move towards the ring and increases the electron density. So what do we do? Let's see. For mono substituted or monosubstituted compound lone pair present on the nitrogen to make less available label. For this we should for this we will react aniline with acid and hydride. When aniline treated with acid and hydride, the formula of acid and hydride CH3, C double bond O, then O, then C double bond O and CH3. So this will be electrophilic center, or either this will be electrophilic center. So let's see. When the pi electron get towards the more electronegative oxygen, simultaneously lone pair electron attack this carbon, because there is a electron deficiency created. Why? Because pi electron shifted towards the more electronegative atom, and when it come back towards their position, this group remove from here. So oxygen pull the electron and remove from here, and so that negative charge appears on the oxygen. In the meantime, this electron present on the oxygen take these protons and remove from the reaction. CH3COOH means this remove in the form of CH3COOH, and what we have NH. Now we have NH and C double bond O and CH3. This compound we will get when aniline undergoes to react with acid and hydride, and the lone pair present on the nitrogen involved in resonance with this carbonyl group. This pi electron when shifted towards the oxygen, this lone pair come between the nitrogen and hydrogen. In that condition, we see here the lone pair present on the nitrogen involved in resonance or less available, so it does not increases the electron density on the ring. So lone pair involved in resonance with carbonyl group, now it is not available to move towards the ring and increases the electron density on the ring. This is the ethanoic and hydride, and this is aniline. So student, whenever we want to get monosubstituted compound, at first we decrease the electron density, or we try to lone pair present on the nitrogen get busy in another compound, or we can say that protection of aniline. Why? Because if this lone pair becomes less available, that means it does not involve with the ring, does not move towards the ring, so that electron density decreases on the ring and we get monosubstituted compound. So whenever we want to monosubstituted compound, at first aniline get acylation or acetylation, so that we can form monosubstituted compound. So we can learn by writing this: lone pair involved in resonance. So it is less available. What is the reason? To form monosubstituted compound, whenever aniline treated with ethanoic anhydride, because lone pair electron get involved with the carbonyl group of this particular compound. So lone pair involved in resonance with carbonyl group, and it is less available to increase the electron density on the ring. Now so after acylation, acetylation done by any acyl group, either ethyl chloride, acetyl chloride or acetic anhydride, any. So after acylation or acetylation, the reactivity of aniline decreases. After acylation, the reactivity of aniline decreases because lone pair busy in resonance with carbonyl group. As a result, ring does not get high electron density. This is the reason behind it, why aniline undergoes to acylation to decrease the reactivity of aniline, so that we can get monosubstituted compound. Now aniline at first acetylation in presence of pyridine base, so we get NHCO CH3 plus CH3 COOH. Now this compound, when undergoes to bromination, Br2 plus H2, and in that condition we get four bromo position. So it will be major because at ortho position it is large group present on here, so steric hindrance takes place. In that condition, para substituted bromine will be major compound, and after that whenever it treated with H plus or OH minus condition, so this group get removed from here, CH3CO group removed from here, and now 4-bromo aniline becomes major product. So monosubstituted compound we will get after acylation of this compound. Now this group get involved, this group lone pair present on the nitrogen get involved with this group, so electron density does not increases because lone pair not come towards the ring. In that condition, this compound when undergoes to bromine water or bromination, we get monosubstituted compound. Whenever you conversion given to you, convert aniline to 4-bromo aniline or para-bromo aniline, so do not react aniline directly with bromine water. In that condition we will get tri-bromo aniline. So at first aniline treated with this type of compound, either acid chloride or acid anhydride, so that this compound mainly protect the aniline or decrease the lone pair electron on less availability, so that lone pair does not increases the electron density on the ring. Now, next electrophilic substitution reaction is nitration. Nitration of aniline. So student, nitration. Nitration, when aniline treated with nitrating mixture. Nitrating mixture is HNO3 plus H2SO4, and our electrophile is nitronium ion. This is our electrophile. This is generate when this mixture treated to or react to each other. Let's see how the nitrating mixture prepare. Suppose this is SO3, H2SO4, H2SO4 plus HNO3. What happens? This is more electronegative, so it pulled the electron towards itself. In that condition, lone pair given to these protons. What happened? So this becomes HSO3, SO3 with negative charge, HSO3 with negative charge plus OH. Here is also protons and positive charge appears on this, and NO2. So here the removal of water takes place. So removal of water and the formation of nitronium ion generated. Okay, OSO3H. OSO3H. So in this way we can prepare or generate the electrophile. So student, you have already read in class 11 generation of NO2. So whenever the aniline undergoes to nitration, so the formation of para substituted aniline plus ortho substituted aniline. Apart from this, meta substituted aniline also we will get in this reaction. How is this possible? Because we know that aniline is the plus R or plus M nature. In that condition, electrophile always substituted at the ortho or para position. In fact, these three compounds, this is 51% and ortho, only 2% ortho substituted compound is formed, and meta substituted compound is 47%. So how this has happened? Mixture of nitro substituted aniline formed. How this has happened? So student, whenever the aniline undergoes to nitration, there is H plus ion also present in this acid. So whenever the H plus present in this reaction given by this particular mixture, the lone pair get these protons and becomes anilinium ion. It becomes anilinium ion. And here is the positive charge present on the nitrogen. So all the pi electron rushes towards the nitrogen to stabilize. In that condition, meta position becomes electrophilic center. So in that condition, this anilinium ion, when undergoes to nitric acid plus H2SO4, so nitronium ion get substituted at meta position. Get substituted at meta position. So in this way, whenever aniline undergoes to nitration, so if we try to write the product, different product A, B, C, so never write the major product ortho and para. Here ortho, only 2% ortho substituted aniline we get. So major compound will be formed after nitration of aniline is para nitroaniline due to symmetrical structure, and ortho also less steric hindrance. And what is the causes for the formation of meta-nitroaniline? So we can explain in this way. During the nitration, nitrating mixture also provide, here is the conc H2SO4, it is also provide H plus ion, and lone pair present on the nitrogen get these protons and becomes anilinium ion. This is anilinium ion. Anilinium ion is a meta-directing. So this is the reason for meta-substituted nitroaniline formation when the nitration of aniline takes place. So for the mono-substituted compound, we should protect the aniline. So students, if we want to mono-substituted, only we want to para substituted, because para nitroaniline is the major product. So for mono-substituted compound, we protect the lone pair on nitrogen, or it is called protection of aniline. So let's see, we have already discussed earlier about this. At first, aniline treated with either acid chloride or acid anhydride. Acetylation, we write here acetylation. First we should acetylation of the aniline group in presence of pyridine base. So we get this compound in which lone pair of the nitrogen involved in resonance, and when the nitration takes place, HNO3 plus H2SO4, in which nitronium ion is electrophile, we will get mono substituted compound, NO2. And when this undergoes to protonation or alkaline medium, we will get para nitroaniline. This is protection, we can write here, protection of aniline or acetylation of aniline. So whenever we get mono-substituted compound, we first convert aniline by treating with acetylation. So we reduce the reactivity of lone pair, or we can busy the lone pair with another group. In this way we can decrease the electron density on the ring. This is the para nitroaniline. Para nitroaniline. And the last is the sulfonation, electrophilic substitution reaction with sulfuric acid, means sulfonation of aniline. So students, in the next video we'll discuss the sulfonation of aniline, and also we will discuss the diazonium salts.